What's up, you guys? Your boy Taxi on the Lens, back at it again with yet another one, man. Today we have
Mariah.
Mariah's here, man. It's a whole lot of gas, and make sure that you guys can hear me. Yep. All right, bet. Mic check. So we're in here today. We're doing a little bit of a snake shoot. It's gonna be kind of fun. She came to me with an idea. This is the idea right here. And as you guys know, I love snakes, but I don't personally own a snake. Well, not yet, at least, because I want to get one and I want to rent it out. But I have some fun, man. So we're about to do a little snake shoot. Today I'm probably gonna use this rope. Because usually for my snake shoots, I don't use anything. I usually just have them just act like they have one in their hand, and then I'll manipulate it like that. But if I could have her use one like this and wrap it like this, then it'll be easier for me to make this into a snake, I feel like it'll be easier for me to manipulate this and morph it into like how I want. So we'll see. You know what I'm saying? We'll have some fun. We'll take some with and without, because if I get into Photoshop and I fold on this damn, we still need photos regularly, so I could still double back, because I'm not gonna screw myself by doing all of them with this, and then I can't even, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but we're gonna have some fun here today, man. It's a whole lot of gas. We're about to hop right into it, and let's do it. All right, so it's gonna be his head. Yeah, I'm choking a snake, and what? And what? What he gonna do about it? Nothing. Fat snake head. Yeah. Thick bite. All right, bet. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna tuck this up in there. So this is head. On some shit. You know what I'm saying? Like he right on some shit. You know what I'm saying? So we about to have some fun, man. We about to get right into it. There's a whole lot of gas. You know what I'm saying? Head ass. Let's go. All right. So have some fun, you know what I'm saying? This is his head. Yeah. This is his tail. This is his head. See, look, yeah, that's a basic pose right there. That's a nice basic pose, which is gonna help me out in the long run, because I think, yeah, nice basic pose. So that should be fun.
You have to tell me the body is body.
No, I got you, of course. So what I'm gonna do, like for the title of this video, I'm gonna be like how I turned this into this. And I have a picture of you with a rope, and then a picture of you with the damn snake.
That's sweet.
Yep.
I see the vision.
How I went from this to this. It's gonna be lit. All right, make sure at 100%. We got my two C600 Neewer lights. I'm gonna get 2 more for the new studio, but I gotta wait till I get the studio first, because you know we don't make no payments yet on some shit before we just start buying stuff. But when you get in there, credit card going stupid. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do this really quick. Let's see. Gotta make sure that your subject's very nice and evenly lit, you guys. I'm kind of folding at this point simply because I need to like try to light a little bit more of her. There we go.
Thank you.
Let's see, there we go. All right, bet. Move your speed light back further to get more even light. If it's too close, it's gonna cast a shadow in a lot of other places. So I back up my speed light a good amount. Just like that. Had to turn the music off because, you know, copyright claims. All right, bet, let's see. Hold on, let me see something. ISO gonna go up because I gotta get that even light. All right, so hold his head like out more. Like, oh, like that, kind of like that. Yeah, like separate it from you. Yeah, there we go. So with this look, we're not gonna want to take too minis, but we're gonna get good ones, you know what I mean? Because you only select one from each, so, you know what I mean? You don't want to, like, you know what I'm saying, get too many. You're saying you have one that gets photo VFX shit with the snake, but then you get regular ones too in this outfit as well as the other one. So that's why you don't want, but I'm just showing you some how we're looking so far.
I like, go back, that one. I like that one.
I think that one would be. I think that one like it wouldn't be too hard too. All right, let's shoot some more kind of like that.
Let's switch sides.
Yeah, I was just about to say that. Yeah, I was about to say that. Let me see. Yeah, that boy more of a head. Ooh.
And if I could go like.
Oh, you're saying like, yeah.
Like that?
Hold on, like put it like. Oh, but there's no way for you to hold it.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, put your arm down. Like kind of like this. On some shit. Let's try it. Let's try it. There we go.
Can I hold it with my other hand? Like this?
You can do that. Put it like, let's see, turn his head. Yeah, so I could like make it a head on some shit. Yeah, there we go. Hold on, I'm gonna do some close ends too. This one should not be that bad to do, I ain't gonna lie, it shouldn't be that bad. Hold on. All right, you also guys go up from F2 to like F4 because you want everything to be in focus. When you're shooting a shot like this, you want everything to be in focus. Because if everything's not in focus, then when you go to editing, you're gonna fuck yourself. All right, open your eyes and look at me. Open them wider, because what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna use some snake eyes or some shit. Even if it's like a crazy ass uncomfortably wide, just it's okay. Like I promise you I'm not gonna make you look crazy. Just even if it's like uncomfortable to do it and you think it looks weird, just open them. Cause I gotta be able to like select your pupils. There we go. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Hold it. You got it. It's okay. It's okay. I know you probably feel crazy as hell, but it's okay. Trust me. There we go. Hold it. 3, 2, hold it. Open. Yep. There we go. Cause what I'll do is I'll put snake eyes in your eyes. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. I'm probably gonna get some
How is she standing? I like that.
That's what I'm saying. She's like this. She's like snake. She's like snake. Like snake. Like like snake. That's what it looks like. It's like I got a snake. Like I got me a snake. There we go. Yep. Hold it. Don't move. Hold on. Okay. Maybe this way is better for me to shoot. Low key. All right, you guys. I think I found horizontal being the better way for me to shoot. I get more in the frame and it's more even lighting. I'll try it again. There we go. All right, but we'll check these out and then we're gonna do the same exact things without the.
Okay, bet.
Some mumbo. Right? I think these sideways ones are gonna probably be better.
Ace is giving.
Right? I'll take these for me. Those are like just to show the setup. Right?
Yes.
Oh shit! Hold one for a boomerang. Hold it for a boomerang, so I could be like, y'all won't even guess on some shit or something. Hold on. Bet. I'm gonna be like, it's a rope, but it will be a snake really soon. Yeah, I know it's a rope, comma, but it will be a snake really soon. Subtract really and put very. Yeah, I know it's a rope, but it will be a snake really soon.
Okay, when I go like.
Yeah, what you thinking about?
Like in the mirror, you see how it's like I don't know. Like kind of hourglass, kind of.
Okay, turn here. There we go. And when you do it, now shift your weight, because all of your weight shifted to this side. There we go. And now forward, right there. Hold it.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's try it with that.
Yeah.
Mamba. All right, same types of poses. Just with that. Yep, so just so you're acting like you got, yeah, exactly.
Am I holding it in front?
Yeah, cock your hand back a little bit. There we go. Hold it. Look right here. There we go. Yeah. What did she? Hold on. Like do it. Now you can probably put your hand in front on some shit. Yeah. Now you can probably do that.
I'm forgetting that that's how she's holding.
Yeah. Put your hand right here. Look at me right here. There you go. Right.
Okay. I think I need to bring it like more.
More down.
Yeah.
Yeah, more like. Yeah, I get you. Yeah, I got you. There we go. Hold it. Good.
Right. Yes. Very much so. Yes. That last one hit.
Bet. And should be good if you could think of anything else probably. You want to take some regular ones in here in this one or some regular photos?
Yeah, with the purple and the purple lights.
I got you.
I liked how it had my skin glowing and stuff.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.